Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the OxiWatch Finger Pulse Oximeter by CHOICEMMED. There is very little info on the box. However, this is a very basic pulse oximeter used to measure SPO2 or blood oxygen saturation levels, pulse rate, and also pulse strength. It can be used by sports enthusiasts and average users alike. Let's open this box and see what's inside. You can see the oximeter wrapped in plastic. Let's take them out. There is an instruction manual. You should definitely read it at least once. There is a lanyard as well for carrying the device around. Now let's take a closer look at the oximeter. This is what it looks like. It is made of plastic and is very light. It is small enough to fit on any of your fingers. There is a flap at the back. This is where you'll find the batteries. This device runs on 2 AAA batteries. There is an LCD screen at the top. Notice the power button right underneath. Operating the oximeter is very simple. Simply put it on your index finger, press the button and sit back. The device will read and display your SPO2 levels and your pulse rate. And that is all you will find inside this box. Thank you for watching.